Hi everyone, I'm Alara Vane and welcome back to my channel. If you're here, you're probably curious about DigestSync and what makes it so effective. Let me break down the unique, natural ingredients that power this revolutionary supplement and show you why it's the best choice for your digestive health. First, let's talk about Baobab. This superfruit is packed with fiber and antioxidants. It nourishes your gut and helps combat bloating by supporting good bacteria in your digestive system. Next, we have Konjac Glucomannan. This natural fiber is a game changer. It works like a sponge, absorbing water and helping food move smoothly through your digestive tract, reducing discomfort and bloating. What about Biogenic Polyamines? These might sound complex, but they're essential for repairing your gut lining and promoting healthy cells in your digestive system. Think of them as your gut's personal repair crew. And finally, Pea Starch. This prebiotic feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, keeping your microbiome balanced and thriving. A healthy gut microbiome doesn't just improve digestion, it also boosts energy and even supports mental clarity. Why does this combination work so well? DigestSync doesn't just mask symptoms, it targets the root causes of digestive issues by heavy checkmark supporting your gut lining, heavy checkmark restoring balance to your microbiome, heavy checkmark helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Using DigestSync is easy. Take 1 gummy a day, preferably in the morning with water. That's all it takes to start feeling lighter, more energetic, and free from digestive discomfort. So why wait? If you're ready to transform your gut health, click the link in the description to order DigestSync today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your own experience in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.